Hello once again, my name is Chris for QTech. I hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of the old modems that do not land on Windows 10. What I'm saying is that the older or the area modem are not opening their software on a Windows computer, and it's a common problem. As you can see that I have plugged in my modem, tried to open the software, but it is stuck on initialising, and this is the common problem for the old modems. And I'm going to show you how to solve this in very simple steps. What is required is to follow me along all the way. First of all, let's go ahead and let me close this. Let's go ahead and click on Windows Explorer. And then you see here on this PC, we are going to see where it is written add a network location. Then press next, and then you will see it pop up with create a new connection, and then I will press next, and then I would choose GRAP or to connect using a GRAP modem or ISDN. Then click on this, and then it will require us to write the phone number. In this case we write star or asterisk 99, and you put this sharp, then click connect, and then you will wait a little bit. And then as you can see on this icon, you see that the network is now connected. Our computer is now connected. We are not opening this software as it's stuck right now, but we can use this method to connect to the internet. And I hope other thing that I can add on this is that you have to install all modem drivers and software, but you don't need to open the software to be connected to the internet. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, I will like to see your subscription, and make sure you share this video, and don't forget to add a comment or any suggestion. I will accept it. Thank you for watching. My name is C for QTech, and bye for now. See you later.